Today's video I have the April TOYL box. Sorry this is late guys, but let's get in here. Hi guys and welcome. I hope you're all doing absolutely fabulous today. This is the April TOYL box. Again, this is very late. Yeah, I am trying to catch up with my unboxing videos, and yeah, like I say, this is the April TOYL box. Inside the box we get the edit card. It just says on here this box has a value of £132 and it is the colour correct box. So yeah, this is £39.99 per month. It is meant for the more mature skin type, but there's nothing stopping you getting this in any age. Prep your skin now, definitely. There's a sneak peek, but let's get to it and start digging through here. First product we have is this. So this is by the brand Morad, and it's a Correct and Protect Serum Broad Spectrum SPF 45. This has an RRP of £70. Wow. Let's have a look. Satiny smooth serum with 100% mineral SPF that's tested and scientifically proven to visibly correct discoloration and prevent future hyperpigmentation. This amazing sheer SPF delivers broad spectrum mineral based UV protection that doesn't leave a white cast for a truly radiant skin. Shake before use and apply liberally to face, neck and chest. This sounds absolutely amazing. This sounds right up my street. I have melasma. I think, well, my makeup kind of covers it at the moment, but it can get very dark when my makeup doesn't cover it, which I really hate my melasma. So if this does what it says on the tin, I'm going to be very, very happy. I'm just going to get it out of here and just have a little nosy. I'm not going to test it out. I'm going to leave this sealed because I want this, when I come to using it, I want it as fresh as possible. So there it is there. It's really good quality, feels very, very bougie indeed. I love this brand. It is so expensive and I can't wait to try this out. I might actually save this for my holiday when I go on my cruise. Second product I have is this. This is by the brand Ren, gotta love Ren, and this is an Evercom Overnight Recovery Balm. This has an RRP of £45. Let's have a look. Proven to calm and soothe while you sleep. This moisture barrier recovery balm replenishes the skin during its natural overnight regenerative process to help soothe signs of sensitivity accumulated during the day. Its intensely nourishing formula is infused with a easily absorbed complex of lipid-rich active oils that wrap skin in a hydrating blanket to help strengthen its moisture barrier and minimise water loss. So you wake up to a calm complexion that feels repaired and renewed. That sounds amazing. Warm a small amount in the palm of your hand and gently massage into face and neck until absorbed. Another fantastic brand. That's why I love this box, because the brands that you get in here are amazing. That's what that looks like. I don't know, I shouldn't open it. I'm not gonna open it, don't do it. I'll save the surprise for when I actually do come to use it. But yeah, that sounds so good, and it's Ren, so you kind of expect good things from it. The third and final product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Super Facialist and it's Skin Perfecting Primer. This has an RRP of £17, so it's more affordable than those two products over there. It just says, alongside our colour correctors, we've paired 3 trusted skincare ingredients to help hydrate, hyaluronic acid, comfort, sisa, I think that's how you say it, and control oil, niacinamide. Together, the expert combination of ingredients help to bring back your skin's natural radiance. After using, your skin will be left hydrated with imperfections blurred, so you can be ready for whatever the day brings. Can be used alone or as a last step in your skincare regimen, or as a primer underneath your foundation. After cleansing and moisturising, massage a pea-sized amount into your face. Have I had one of these before? I think so, or if it wasn't this, it was something very similar to it. But yeah, that looks so cute. Look at that. I'm not normally into my primers, but I'm really trying to get into them at the minute because I know obviously the benefits to them, but especially when it's got really good skincare ingredients like this one has, this is going to be definitely really interesting to try out. So this is the Skin Colour Correct Edit, the April TOYL box, Time of Your Life. What do you think? Personally, yes, you only get 3 products in this month's box, but they are 3 amazing products. Them brands are really, really good. The Super Facialist, is that what you call it? Yeah. Yeah, that's a really nice brand. But Ren and what do you call it? Morad, I can't talk. Excellent, absolutely excellent. Really good brands, really good products. So for only 3 products, still really, I'm really impressed. Really nice. I can't wait to try these out. Definitely products I'm sure I'm gonna love. But yeah, comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Do you get this box? Do you not? As I say, I'll link it in the information box for you. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family, and smash that thumbs up button. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye.